Hi guys, can you hear me? If you can hear me, do something, maybe this smiley, so I'll know that you guys can hear me. Yes, thank you so much, Rupali. Hope तुम्ही चांगला आहे. Yes, I'm very excited for today's live. This live is one of the, मतलब मेरे लिए ये एक मोस्ट इट इज गोइंग टू गो इन दैट मोमेंट कि अरे वाह कि ये मैंने अचीव किया है एंड आई वॉज एबल टू डू दैट. This live is going to be in one of those moments personally for me. So I'll just wait for a couple of minutes so that Madhvi ma'am can join, and then I'll add her to the live. So till that time, how are you guys? How is everything on your side, your end? Hope you guys are all safe and secure and doing good, healthy, active lifestyles, practices like having good food, having good nutrition, having doing exercise, taking enough water. I hope you guys are all doing that and taking precautions and being safe wherever you are, and being healthy and happy, and keeping yourself and your family also healthy and happy. I'll just update, ma'am. So many of you guys have asked me questions personally about the business and about many things related to the business, sometimes not related to the business also. So of course I have to clear that I am not a blogger. I am into a business of health and fitness, and I only answer questions related to that. I don't promote anything else. I sometimes many of you have also asked me to promote some things which I definitely don't do, because if I've not used the product, or I will promote it even if you don't say. But if I've used the product, I'll definitely promote it. Like I have used the products of Herbalife Nutrition and I've got fantastic results. Not just me, my mom has lost like 13 and a half 14 kgs weight, and she's maintaining it for more than 3 years. My father has lost a lot of inches of his stomach, and he's improved his healthy active lifestyle. My brother is using the products from years now, and he's in the beginning he was very reluctant, and today he's into fitness. He has his own cycle and he does cycling every few days, and it became more conscious. So I have made my family very healthy, and that is why I full heartedly share this good nutrition and good results to everyone in my family, friends and circle. That's how I actually promote Herbalife. So just give me 1 second and I will come back. Okay, yeah. So before I took her this thing. So I just want to say a couple of things before, ma'am. Okay, you've already joined. I just wanted to introduce you for 30 seconds.
Yes, hi. Sure.
First of all, I feel very privileged and I'm blessed and honored that you accepted my request, for this live. And I'm also I look up to ma'am, and she is in the top 5 of our company, and I'm very very nervous to invite her to my live. So please help me invite 3 diamond 15K president team member, Mrs. Madhvi Shetty. I'm sorry, I'm almost shivering because of I didn't imagine this was possible. I just as a tukka maar ke dekha, and you accepted, and I was since that day I'm very nervous about today actually. So hope I'm not disturbing.
You have been knowing me for a while. I know you for a while. So it's all right. And thank you so much for inviting me. And it's actually an experience for me to connect with you over this live. So I'm also excited to chat with you over this live.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So I have designed this, I've planned this according to a small 10 questions, wherein I'll
Okay,
ask some questions and you can answer whatever you feel you want to.
sure.
It's simple. Yeah. So the first question is, can you share a bit about your story and what was your main reason to join our company?
Well, Khushbu, I got started in 99, in December 99, when Herbalife was just launched. It got started in November 99 in India, even though globally we were already present earlier, before that, already 20 years. So I joined a company which was globally very successful and established, but totally new in the country. And of course, I come from a technical background. So being a computer engineer and doing a technical job as a hardware and network engineer, this was a different field altogether. But I was inspired basically because of the health benefits that people were enjoying, and I saw a difference of overall energy in the room, because lot of positive smiling people, very good energy, which I was not the case in my previous profession and job. And that was something which was attractive for me. So I joined purely, of course, first factor for me was to earn extra income at that point of time, which I was in desperate need of, which was not sufficient from my job back then. At the same time, I was looking for something where I can, connect with positive people, actually enjoy the process of becoming successful. At the same time, health was a big bonus for me when I understood it is a health company and world's number one health company. So why not? So that was the main reason how I got started. And it's been 20 years plus now that me and Samir, my husband, we both work together. I met him in my initial few months rather. So it's been, he also completed already 20 years with Herbalife. So being technical people, both of us come from IT industry, and this is a new life for us, but we absolutely enjoy. So yeah, we love the energy of Herbalife, and that's why, we are attracted in the company.
Wow, that's an amazing reason to join. The energy in the room when was the first thing I felt like. So, what was the first result that you got in the company? Once you joined the company, what was the first result you got?
One of the first result I can say was a health result, because I got started on Herbalife nutrition right away, and I personally lost weight, which I was looking to lose pounds, and I lost a couple of inches actually, but I lost about 6 kilos, which was one of my concern. And my mom lost weight, so for me it was absolutely necessary and important that me and my family not only get healthy with this, and also because of that, obviously because of our results, our transformation, there was a lot of change overall, not just weight, but we were more energetic, our skin improved, there was a tangible difference in our before and after. So that actually created that excitement and enthuse to talk about it to others around us, to our family and neighbors. In fact, people started asking us initially. So that is our, my product result is something in that first week itself, and rather throughout my first month, that got me going, even though I was doing a job and I was just trying this as a part-time thing. But my result gave me a lot of confidence, and it actually got me going in the business ahead.
Amazing. So the results is, and even recently, actually, I saw 20 years of transformation, which was amazing. In the Health Talk slide, I saw Sir and
Yeah.
yours 20 years transformation. So, why did you decide to stay in Herbalife for 20 years and take it as a career? Because today what is happening is many people are changing jobs like every few years or every few months. So in this type of an era, to stay in one company for 20 years and take it as a career, what was the reason for deciding that?
First of all, I guess when people change and do job hopping, which happens in most profession these days, It's because they're constantly looking for something which they are not happy with. Maybe it is money, maybe it is that, job satisfaction, like doing. Many people do not like the money that they make in any particular job, and that's why probably they switch. Some people switch also because they are not happy what they are doing. They don't get any value. It's just monotonous, it's machine like. And maybe many times, even in my previous job, there was no purpose, there was no drive for me. I was just going because I was getting paid my salary, so day in and day out I was at work, punching in my card just to ensure that I have those many work days and receive my salary, which I was in need of. uh, in Herbalife, I feel, of course, it's not that I'm working for someone, I'm on my own. So the big thing about business like this is we are independent business operator, and we are partner with an international brand, world's leading brand. And then there is a great work culture. There is a family, feel here. So there is family culture. And the way our business is designed, the industry we come from, network marketing. So fun part is it's a win-win situation. So
Yes.
nobody is jealous about your success. People will only promote you. They will encourage you. They are genuinely happy about your success, even if they get paid on your efforts or not. So this is a
Yes.
unique system wherein you can actually, of course, make a career, because there is a progressive income which we can earn. At the same time, we feel belonging towards the mission, because there is a solid mission that we work with, about changing people's life. Of course, in the process we change our and our families lives too. And at the same time, it's priceless to see transformation in people. What I really feel good about is not the money that we have been making all the way, but when we see people coming in contact with us, and whether for purpose of maybe weight loss or whatever, improving their health, or maybe for earning some extra income to support their family. And simple people from very regular backgrounds, and when they come, and the way they transform, it is wow feeling. So money cannot give that satisfaction that what we experience here. Of course, money is great. There is a great culture here of the within the company. We get to travel the world. There are many pluses which everyone, as a in any profession, people look forward to get those perks and benefits. So that is something, of course, is awesome. But the process of earning money, doing that day-to-day work, it itself is very exciting. I can wake up in the morning with smile on my face, and this is not today, because I've been for a long time probably, and earning comfortable lifestyle. But right from the beginning, I felt that drive, that okay, I can make a difference in someone's life today. There is something that I can do positive and constructive. So that is something which always got us going. So that's what
Wow.
I feel. So that kept us in business, and we will be here for life.
Yes, I'm sure, but you're missing the traveling part of the traveling the world and different, because I've been seeing your travel since the time I've joined. I'm sure you're missing it during this particular time.
Well, yes, but truth is, since we are into work from home, so
Ah,
being a work from home, professional, and from this kind of business, our hands are full. We are constantly
yeah.
engaging with people who are outside of our city, and even outside of our country limits. We are reaching out to people, we are connecting. So yeah, that way we are not feeling probably sitting in one place and feeling limited with that. We are constantly busy, so we don't feel that anymore. At the same time, yes, traveling we're missing. We are waiting to, we have cancelled some of our international travels. From March, we were planned to travel to US for our
Yeah.
annual function, annual bonus function. So March, we were supposed to be in Los Angeles. We are supposed to be in Germany, and we are supposed to be in a couple of countries of Europe now with our son during month of June and July. Okay, so that is changed. So yes, there are changes in plan. We are missing that, but I feel there is always something better will come out of current situation, and whenever we can travel, we will make it up without any
Yeah.
doubts. So we are happy where we
Yeah.
are, and we look forward to a better future.
Super. Perfect. Perfect tip for everyone who's missing traveling as well. So the next question is, what was one of the major challenge for you while building the business, and how did you overcome it? Like some of the people that meet me or inquire about this, they ask sometimes they have financial challenge, some of the challenges that personally they go through, I'm sure, in the 20 years. So something related to that.
Well, yeah, challenges is part of life, whether we are in Herbalife or whether we are in any other job or any other business. In everything, challenges are going to appear. Even many people who don't do anything professionally, they also have challenging life, So I learned it from my mentor, David Sullivan, and I'm sure, you appreciate the same because we have,
Yeah.
same mentor. We are lucky that way. So I learned this from David. I rather, face challenges, being successful. It's better to be financially successful and then face the challenge than to do it, without having money and, adequate success around to support you, to cushion you. So yes, challenges are part of life, and I was thankfully, because of good training and education that we received in Herbalife, so I was groomed to expect challenges and not to pray not to have challenges. We learned this: bigger the challenge, bigger the success, right? So it's all right. I just want to, I feel that when I face any kind of challenge, it helps me to build a new skill to overcome the challenge. So yes, initially being a girl, I was not married when I came to Herbalife. So I got opinions from my family, and my parents wanted me to settle down. Probably they wanted me to get into a good, standard job or something like that. It was a different thing for them what I was doing at times. But of course, they always supported me and they believed in me. So there has been challenges wherein people who know, they don't approve what you do, and sometimes it is financial challenges or emotional challenges. But I feel if your vision is clear, if you are very clear what you want to achieve in life, then small challenges are just road, small steps towards success, bigger success. So I feel having a vision, having clear picture where you want to reach is more important. And I think we were fortunate to be trained and educated to look at big picture, and to let go small daily challenges, and that kept us growing actually.
Wow, perfect. So this is actually, training is the solution to all the challenges of, that we in the beginning also, if someone is, so we prefer to recommend them in the training, they can overcome their challenges. Perfect. Thank you so much. So the next question is, how do you manage to take care of your beautiful family and also take care of the business at the same time?
um, well, I don't personally do much. It's just if your priorities are clear, things do take place. For example, even if you have challenges, if you are sure, if you're clear that you want to make it happen, and you have to make it happen here, whatever is your chosen profession, for us being Herbalife. So I was clear that I have to make it happen. And I had burned all the bridges. I told my parents, I told my family that I'm not going back to my previous job and that life. And I was absolutely clear I have to do it here. And so that kept my vision, priorities clear. So about managing and working around family, it is actually a lot of fun if you are very clear that what are your priorities. For us, as we learned, our first priority is family, of course. Second also, of course, is our business. But me and Samir, we being equally passionate. If you're passionate about something, then things sort out. So we are passionate about what we do. So it's about also involving family members. So our son, who is 10-year-old now, he's aware that there are meetings and webinars, and nowadays that we're working from home. So I'm now here in my bedroom at the moment, and they're watching some fun movie together. Okay, so far we were working. I had a busy day. Me and Samir, we both had a busy day. So when we are clear, so we work around managing between spending time with him. Now on and off we spend time with him, at the same time try to work around on our work schedule also.
Perfect. So the next question is, what would you recommend a woman who's watching? Because as a woman, I really look up to you. If I could copy everything you do. But as a woman, some of them have a low confidence in themselves. So for them who are watching, how can they have more confidence in themselves? What would you suggest them?
Uh, women, I don't feel that there is something separate that actually women need to think. Uh, I believe in I'm equal, and I always believe that we don't have to look at us that okay, I'm woman and I am this, because if you don't allow other people to pressurize you, you'll be more efficient. So I personally feel being a woman, we have some innate qualities of doing multitasking, and there are many pluses that we as a our brain is wired separate differently than men, so we can do different things and we can do things differently. So we should appreciate what are our pluses. And every individual, whether you're a man or a woman, everyone, we have our strengths and weaknesses. So it's important to be aware that what is my personal strength and my personal weakness, and to work around it. So I personally feel, accept who you are, don't pressurize. Sometimes we tend to compare us with someone else who is probably more successful, or maybe they have a better family support, maybe they have a better financial and emotional support from their family or whatever. So most important is we have to accept our situation. None of us are same, even though we are in the same boat and we are doing the same work probably, and we are going through the same timing. We all have a unique set of situation, and we'll have a unique set of family circumstances. So we have to realize where we are. First is to have gratitude, whether you are happy where you are or not, but be grateful that your life is still better than many out there who do not have privileges that we personally have, having family, having this life, having all limbs in place. I mean, there are many things that we can actually count, and work towards it, how we can get best out of whatever we have got. So instead of thinking what I don't have, what probably I have and how I can optimize it. Okay, optimize my skills, optimize my current time. If I'm busy, I have family to look after, I still have a job. Like if you are in a situation like that, जो भी available time है, whatever time you have, whatever resources you have, it is about making best use of it, and always smiling and keeping positive that the best is yet to come. This is what I always believe. Even today and every day I remind myself the best is yet to come, and I'm just getting started. There is so much more to achieve and accomplish for all of us. And if you're going through hard times, remember, this will pass. This is not going to stay permanent. Lockdown, corona, this is not going to stay permanent. This is going to pass, and we're going to have brighter and exciting times ahead.
Wow, amazing. That has given me a boost as well. Thank you. So, okay. So this is another woman-related question, actually. What is independence for you as a woman?
For me, independence means actually having freedom of choosing what I want to do, of deciding, of course, what I want to have in life, what I want to do on a daily basis, and having financial freedom, of course, because when I'm financially successful, I'm financially on my own, and I don't have to depend on someone's resources. That gives me a tremendous wow feeling. So for me, of course, freedom is very important. At the same time, independent, of course, working towards what are possibly what I can do best in my current situation as a woman or man, whoever you are, whoever is connected today, to actually think about what can you do, what is something that you like, because all of us are different. So I have a certain hobbies, we all have a certain hobbies, likes, dislikes. So actually to consider that and not stress yourself, and chasing what you really love. So especially in a business like Herbalife, I realized that I can actually make difference in people's life. I can actually do whatever I do on a daily basis. I can influence and affect so many people just by doing what I anyway want to do for my better health and for my better, lifestyle and my better future. So I think being independent and financially, emotionally, becoming more skilled, becoming more educated with life education, that will help you to grow better in life. So yes.
Absolutely. So this is one thing is very clear, that because everything you've said is relating to a man and a woman. So there is absolutely no difference that we should see ourselves even a
Yes.
bit different. That was also very clear. But this is another female related question. So for
Yeah.
females who want to succeed in a business like ours, what should be the time balance between work life and your home work life? Because what I have been getting responses like, buy nahi hai, so या फिर help nahi hai, या फिर घर का काम extra बढ़ गया है. Some of them have even removed extra work, including some of my family members. That's why they are not able to balance the time. So how can a female, without compromising, or what should she do so that she feels not guilty at the end of the day, that she's managing both equally?
It's about That's a great question, because I see many women struggling with that. It's basically, I don't believe in stereotyping. It is of course naturally people assume, and we are sitting in India, तो इंडियन माइंडसेट वही है कि सब कुछ भी हो जाए, लड़की कितनी भी पढ़ ले, कितनी भी बड़ी ऑफिसर बने, घर का खाना तो बनाना ही है. So I see a lot of working women, they go out for job and they are into highly paid jobs. Some of them earn more than their husband, but they still come back and they're expected to cook and expected to clean and do things for family, even though they're financially if many of them are even more successful or maybe equally successful and qualified also as their husbands. So I personally feel it's, if you allow someone to dominate you, you will be dominated, whether you are a woman or man. Okay, so you have to decide, I'm, this is what I can do and this I'm going to do, and I want to get support. So for us personally, me, I'm fortunate, I have a great husband, so we do everything equal. And in some things Samir is having pluses, so he takes more responsibility in some parts of business, and in some parts of business I take more responsibility, and same about family responsibility also. So we actually discuss. Most important thing is, instead of cribbing and complaining later, most problems can be solved in any relationship, whether it is husband wife or any relationship, is actually communication. A lot of problems happen in life is because of miscommunication or no communication. So I personally feel we should be communicative and ask for help and not do everything. In our case, even my son will do, like after meal is done, he will help in bringing the food to the table and take it back and wipe the table. He will also support. Even though I have a staff, I have a full time live-in staff with me, but involving every family member for running daily routines is important. So that you are not overloaded and you are not suffering, and then you actually explode someday. So it's not good for health, it is not good for your relationships also. So it's most important is to be communicative and to involve people's help, ask for help. There is no, we have seen enough. This is a mental health, everyone is talking about mental health. So it's important that we keep talking and we communicate to our family members, and do not let people take you for granted for every single thing. And this applies to everyone, even for men. Some men do not like to show their weaknesses. They should be communicative. If they're feeling hurt, if there is something that is disturbing you, you should be expressing it out, because that's family. They will always stand by you. So it's important to be expressive and involve everyone in supporting.
Yeah, that's an amazing tip again. So I wish I was taking notes right now. So I'm going to go through this again so that I can write and so many tips that you're giving. The next two questions, it can be maybe very personal or direct. Is what do you personally love about Herbalife?
I love everything about Herbalife. I love products of Herbalife. I love, the feeling of being independent, wherein you are on your own, you are your own boss. So you can choose your time. There is no one instructing you to do certain things on certain time. You can design your, daily routine, and you can design your schedule. I love the fact that I can keep on becoming a better person by attending trainings. We have a beautiful education system. So even 20 years down the line, I still learn from, our seniors and legends in the company. So, this is something I can always get better. There is no limit. This is what I learned. If you don't stop learning, you will not stop growing. So keep learning and keep growing. That, Herbalife allows us to do that. And at the same time, culture of going around the world, because it's an international company. So we travel for events, we travel for company paid vacations. There is so much of experience that one can gain by being part of a company like this. So everything I love the mission. There is a reason, there is a purpose that we work with. It is not just about earning money and feeding your family. It is also reaching out to more people and making difference in people's lives. So that mission is something which is absolutely phenomenal. So I love that, no, without any doubt.
Wow. Wow. Actually, it is making me even more passionate about it. It's reminding many people are new and they have not, they don't know probably in this life what is Herbalife. And many of them are already a part of Herbalife and they are already a part of this mission. So it shows the passion behind the work as well. And the last question is for people who are listening who don't really know about the business or would like to know more, but they are thinking and they want to discuss with their family members or anything. They have some. What would you recommend them?
I would recommend, when it comes to taking any life decision, even when we got started, we were not supported by family, because I personally attended an initial presentation, and I felt somewhere there was a feeling, which is very important. I felt that okay, this is something that I would love to be part of, because I saw a purpose. I saw making difference to others' life, at the same time having improving quality of our own life. I absolutely loved the concept. And of course, my parents and my family, I come from a joint family, so they never were accepting the fact that I'm going to do something like this, being an engineer by qualification. So, yes, initially you will face probably rejections, and people may not approve of what you're doing. But if we keep working and if we chase our dream and if we make it happen, they are going to follow. They are going to definitely be very proud and appreciative about what you chose to do. So it's about, first of all, you deciding. It's like, pehla pehla pyar, that is the same concept. If you love someone, sometimes सभी ने ये एक्सपीरियंस किया होगा, तो वो एक जुनून रहता है. एंड वी वांट टू गेट मैरिड टू अ सर्टेन पर्सन. अगर आपने लव मैरिज की, आपने एक्सपीरियंस किया होगा, सो यू वांट टू गेट मैरिड वेदर फैमिली सपोर्ट कर रही है कि नहीं, जो भी है, वी आर विलिंग टू पट आउट देम एंड डू एवरीथिंग पॉसिबल टू डू इट. सो इट इज सेम लाइक दिस. इफ यू बिलीव इन कि मुझे ये करना ही है, तो आप सबको पटा सकते हैं. आप यू कैन एक्चुअली गेट पीपल इनटू द डील दैट यस. बट द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग इज शोइंग रिजल्ट. सो आई बिलीव इन सिर्फ बात नहीं करना है. You can't just tell your family ये अच्छा है, this is good. You have to show with your action and result. Just don't talk, do the talking. Show it with your result. Okay, so our family was not very positive in the beginning, but we continued. We worked on our results. We made sure that we have product result. We made sure we succeed in doing some kind of income from the initial month, and that got us going. So first we have to decide. Not everyone will approve and सब कुछ red carpet नहीं रहेगा. but if you believe कि मुझे ये करना है, so everything can be managed. So that's what
Amazing. So that's perfect actually, because many people who are not in this business, like they're thinking of joining. That is what, because we just had a wow meeting, our wellness coach workshop, and I spoke to a few people, and this is exactly what they needed. And some of them are actually there on this live. I promoted them. So yeah, I'm sure everyone who is in this meeting got so much quality information. Thank you so much for your valuable time, especially because I know how busy you are, and removing, this time was it makes a big, it was, thank you. So I want to appreciate that you could remove so much time and give it. And that's all my question. If you want, like one or two things that you can, especially at this time, people are going through different types of mind, especially hearing many stories. If one or two things you would like to share from your
all
side,
what
whatever.
I can say, thanks first of all, and I just want to say that thanks to being in a community like Herbalife, we always have a support system, and that is what I really recommend. Whether you are here and you are listening to us, maybe you are someone who's interested in improving health or also financial health, or maybe both. Okay, so in any situation, for progress in any part of life, for any success, any improvement, you first of all, it is about your decision. You need to decide that I want to improve here, whether with health or whether with money or whatever. So first of all, decide. Second important thing is, don't have doubts. Self doubt is the biggest killer. So don't doubt. Once you believe, connect with people who will help you to achieve it. Okay, in a system like Herbalife, there is a coach, there is a sponsor, mentor, and a big team of people. It's a huge teamwork. Okay, so there are going to be so many people who will support you in your success journey, and it happened with us. It has happened with each one of us. So I would recommend that stay connected with a system which is going to be supporting. Unlike other jobs and other places, Herbalife is a very unique situation where there is a lot of support, and if you're willing to grow, there is exponential growth that can be achieved as a person, and of course financially, you can get more skilled, and then when you are more valuable, you definitely earn more money. So there is so much to do here. So stay in Herbalife, because when I came to the company, I was not the most positive person, but after being in Herbalife system, it is very difficult to think negative. So it comes naturally. So it's absolutely important to be around system which keeps you all supported and positive all throughout, and that's how we are going to reach to the greater heights of success, or at least improve from where we start today. We can reach to a better tomorrow just by being around positive and success minded people. So all what I can recommend is stay with this community. There is nothing to lose, only fat. Okay, and so much to gain. Okay, so that's what I would recommend, to keep going and stay strong. And thank you so much for inviting me, Khushbu, and thank you so much all of you for connecting.
Thank you, ma'am. That was the perfect, way of concluding this call, with the point that to be surrounded with positive people and to believe in ourselves. That's and we get both of that in Herbalife. Like, of course, with a lot of things, both of this is like very strong in Herbalife. And so that's all, ma'am, for today. And thank you so much, and I appreciate that you removed so much time for me.
Thank
That's
you.
all from me. Thank
Thanks
you,
a lot,
ma'am.
Khushbu, and thanks everyone for connecting. Thanks, guys. Take care. Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Bye bye. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, so only I know how nervous I am, and it was so like each and every point, each and every question gave a lot of life lessons and gave a lot of positive message, that is why we are in Herbalife, to spread this message to as many people as possible. And you were one of them today, so thank you so much for joining. I hope you got a lot of benefits and you imply these points in your lifestyle. because it's going to make a big difference to you, and you can spread this message as much as possible. If you want to know, if you're not in this business yet and you want to know how do you join this type of a business, what is it about, if you have any questions about it, you can just DM on my profile, Evolve with Kushbu, and I will answer all the questions. And I would love you to have a look. Just have a look. Give yourself that 1 hour presentation and see what the opportunity is, what you can do with this, what are the possibilities of you joining and doing what you want to do in life, achieve your goals in life with this company. So just send me a message and I'll give you more information about the next opportunity meeting. We have it on every Wednesday and Friday. Sorry, Wednesday and Saturday. Wednesday 5 p.m. and Saturday 11 a.m. If you want to join this presentation, just leave me a message. Thank you so much. Good night. Thank you for joining.